Quick question for all of you. On the surface, which of these cans would seem to provide more product for the customer? Let's dive into that question and the proper answer in this month's slide video tip of the month. Question originated from a recent sales call I made to a local customer. We noticed they had stopped buying our popular mold cleaner product. Then we went out and visited the customer. Purchasing agent explained to us that they had recently found an alternative product that was larger. The can itself was actually larger, and it cost about the same as our product on a per can basis. They supplied us a couple cans of the product. We brought it back here to our lab, and Sly's lab tech people did a quick analysis. The numbers were staggering. We quickly learned that that taller can contained about 60% of product, 40% propellant gas. Sly's mold cleaner, on the other hand, contained about 88% product and just 12% propellant gas. We ran the numbers. We were actually very easily able to show the customer that they were getting more product and more functionality when using Sly's product, even though it came in a smaller can. So don't be fooled by larger cans. It's not always the value you think it is. In fact, we've got this great white paper here called Why Bigger Isn't Always a Better Value. If you have any questions about mold cleaners, mold releases, rust preventatives, and trying to help determine the best value for your operations, don't hesitate to reach out to me or contact Sly Products. We're more than happy to help you. Thank you so much.